Good. All right, so for one of the first things we're going to see is that probably that the shoulders don't move as freely as they're supposed to. So when I passively lift this arm, we see how he starts to go back into extension like that. As soon as we hit something, it shouldn't be like that. Core should go tight, that should happen. So we know we've got one of a set of muscles. This muscle here, pec minor or pec major. In this particular case, when we lift, that shoulder blade should drop down. It really doesn't, it falls up into the neck. So what we will do is we will work these muscles here, these muscles here, and now when we raise the arm, you'll see how much easier it goes and how much more freely. If we didn't want to do all that, as you've known before, all he has to do is squeeze those glutes as tight as he can. So go ahead and squeeze those glutes like you're trying to rip the meat off the bone. Now when we raise the arm, you'll see how much more freely and easier that arm goes. So these are postural things. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and we'll put you up here on the, and I like to do that with the shoulders first before we get going. Good, and off he goes.